On a little adventure today here at the Brook Park Transit, heading downtown Cleveland. This is the NS line through here. I'm not sure what yard this is over here. It's a pretty big yard over there. I'm sure at one point Shoestring's been through that. Always wanted to take them down here and ride the train into Cleveland, the transit. Never got the chance to, unfortunately. But this closest track is our train into Cleveland. This is looking south, and then all these lines out here, that's all NS stuff. So waiting on the train to go up to Cleveland. Maybe we'll get lucky and see something come through this main line here, or maybe coming out of the yard over there. There we go. Coming in hot. There it is. See what all this maintenance away equipment is. There's a whole lot of it down there. I'm not sure where it's going, but all back in there. Glidden paint. There it is, downtown Cleveland. There's the ball game over there. That's where I'm headed. There's the nickel plate drawbridge. We'll see if we can get a better view of it. That one right there is the old nickel plate. Some pretty cool pictures and videos over the years. No, that's not it either. Darn it. I thought it was. Nope, that's it over there. That one's the nickel plate. I think. No? Really? Maybe not. I don't know. Some cool drawbridges down here anyway. Yeah, I don't think that's not the nickel plate. The nickel plate might be that one over there. Well, like everyone's the nickel plate. Yeah, I don't know coming in on the train like this where it's at, honestly. Some really cool bridges though. Alright, we made it to Tower City. Red line heading into Cleveland. Alright, here it is. Progressive Field, better known as Jacobs Field, home of the Cleveland Indians, or the name we don't speak anymore. There it is. All right, we made it.
Last night's Guardians win. Listen, we got it done, and that's all we can ask. Let's show the highlights if you didn't catch it. Mustard ketchup, what's going on, folks? Now,
apparently you can't buy tickets at the ticket office anymore. You got to get them online. So I was right out there, and I bought them on my phone, and here we are.
3 hits, 1 run, and had 6 Ks. He got it done, showing us that he stays locked in through thick and thin. And now with the hustle from the boys behind him, 6th inning, Will Brennan singles the game.
All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Well, Cleveland might not win this. We're down by a run here in the 6th. Get a nice view of the Guardian Bridge. They're guards. There's a guard right there. There's another guard. I'm still an Indians fan. Not so much of the guards, but it's pretty cool. The guards are actually in the opening scene of Major League. If you've ever seen the movie Major League about the Cleveland Indians. But it's been a beautiful night so far. A little bit of rain right to start, but looking out over the steel yards. That's the steel yards way out there. That's in the movie A Christmas Story. You can see that in the background of the movie A Christmas Story. Or maybe it is that over there. I don't remember. I think it's those. Anyways, everybody, thanks for watching. Hope everyone's having a great week. I'm so lucky my truck didn't get smashed today. Definitely had a guard watching me. I think I have a pretty good idea who that is. He's just the latest of many that watch over me, I think. All right, everyone. Talk to you later. Well, the Guardians lost that one, or as I say, the Indians. 11-7. Good game though, high scoring, exciting until the last couple innings. But this is actually my first game to see the Guardians. I think I have a video as my last game for the Indians, but yeah, it was fun. So Cleveland, no Guardian stuff. It just says Cleveland.